This is the elevator here at the Sea, one of the elevators at the Sea Dip Resort in Daytona Beach. Now, that call station is modded with EPCO, but don't let it fool you, because wait till you see what we got. Looks like an original General. It's dark in here. Controller's replaced, likely it has a chime.
Oh,
Going up?
oh no, it's getting the elevator.
Oh, okay. That is one nice sounding motor. We're on the penthouse level. See, all the call stations are replaced. That's where the original one was. And you have an ADA compliant phone in here, but I think this door may be too small to be ADA compliant. Down to 2. And it drops when it starts up. Here's a view of your fixtures. They're GAL JetPlus fixtures. Here on 2. There's a lantern back there. And I'm gonna get off here. And anyways, there it goes. And that is gonna be it.